So I hope you enjoyed my video yesterday. I couldn't really make a video. So I had my friend Cade do it. He's great. You should go subscribe to him. His link will be in the nether regions, although you probably know who Cade is because most people do. Okay, so anyway, today was not a very good day to start with because I stayed up till 3 in the morning because I was having trouble sleeping. I always have trouble sleeping. So I was super tired, and I don't know. And I have finals this week starting Thursday, and school's coming to an end. I came home and then I had to go straight to the orthodontist, and then I went to TJ Maxx and I got an eyelash curler, which is actually what I went there for. Guys probably don't care, but I needed one. I have really straight eyelashes, and so this is completely necessary. If you're a girl, you know what I'm talking about, you know. Also, I picked this up because it was like $5 and I just wanted some new eyeshadow. And then I came home to a deliciously delicious package from Amazon with 3 books that I ordered. So I've got Life as We Knew It by Susan Beth Pfeffer. I don't know. That's your last name. I'm sorry. Extremely Loud and Incredibly Close by Jonathan Safran Foer. Pretend I pronounced that right. I got the Jonathan part right, and that's probably it. And then lastly, I got City of Fallen Angels by Cassandra Clare. This, for you guys who don't know, is the 4th book in the Mortal Instruments series. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Glee's on later, which I'm more than excited about. I'm so obsessed with Glee, and I'm so obsessed with Finchel. Like, I ship Finchel so hard you don't even know. It's probably unhealthy how much I want Finn and Rachel together. So they're getting back together tonight, and I'm so excited. Yay! Oh, I gotta say something. Oh, look how cool my phone background is. Strawberry milk. If you're Adley or Kate, then you know what that is. Okay. Now I'm done. Now I'm done talking. As long as I'm not dead, I will see you tomorrow. I love you all. Bye! Bye. Okay, bye.